Hello, Pestilence here with a vintage antique Miller Rugby padlock with no key. This is one of the locks and it's got a strong spring on it. And it easily locks itself. This was one of the locks that I had in the vinegar bath. And I thought for sure there was something wrong, it wasn't going to work, it was broken, whatever. But it has an extremely strong spring. So I'll just put my straight pick in there and need to feel around. There is the mechanism. And there we go. Cleaned up really nice. And that is my entry for Stock Lock Sunday. Sunday. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.